again. Okay, this time I'll sing the song from this Anatomy Sounds, right? Uh, Actually, I have to have this song all day long, so I won't tell you. Okay, here we go. The Battle Star, Universe and Me. Fire burns, water comes, cool me down. When I'm cold inside, you are warm and bright. You know you are so good from me, yeah. With your child eyes, you are more than you seem. Seen the space, I see your face, the place that you've been. Things you have learned, you sit with you so beautifully. You know there's no need to hide away. You know I tell the truth. We are just the same. I can feel everything you do, and everything you say. Even when you're miles away, I am the universe end. Just like stars burning bright, make it hold in my mind. We are burning bridges. You know there's no need to hide away. You know I tell the truth. I can feel everything you do, hear everything you say, even when your mind's away. I am me, universe and you. You and your mom, I sing you a song, just so you know. I am the universe. Universe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.